Like I promised this year, I want to be bringing some live shots from the ground. It's not like, okay, well, I've been edited the shot and then it looks nice and everything. No, this right here is live, and I'd like to show you basically what I'm seeing. It's no joke, like truly, it's not a joke. I'm right here at the Keta Sand and Sea Resort. But what I like to call it is the tent resort. Okay, tent resort. So let's walk around and see what we have here. See, if you're someone where they like girls, this place go hard for you because see, all of my girls, they're fine. You understand? See them. Like, see, fine. Oh, Charlie, let's see your beautiful faces now. Oh, the girls when they hide, when they come out of my face, la. Oh. Like, Charlie, them get fine people. I be no, see fine people. See fine people. Like, no joke, them be fine people, all right? Okay. Then this guy, okay. You know we fine girl, but it's the way they manage the place. So we go manage them, make it there. Work with just manage them like that. So let's take a walk, let's go around. Come on. Hey, I almost hit the thing. Okay, let's go. So here we have Adonai group of companies and see. Ajay, I catch somebody head. All right. So right here, we have a lot of fine Adonai ladies. So in case you're not aware, Adonai group of companies, or Adonai Real Estate, is the largest real estate company in the Volta Region. What I like it is you can jump to wherever you're going and come back. But Adonai Real Estate Company, yeah, it's the largest real estate company in the Volta Region. And now we are moving internationally. So now we have branches around some other African countries. Let me not lie. So I'll get the details and tell you about it. Ade. So let me get this out of the way. If you are wondering where we are currently at the Keta Sand and Sea Resort, which most people will tell you, is the tent village. Like Charlie, I don't know, just get fine people, okay? So what happens if you have fine people coming to a fine place? Hello. Hey, so you see this one? Was it like 3 or 4 years ago? Small thing I talk. Okay, so those of you are watching this right now, it means that you didn't watch the live stream, so you didn't hear what I said.
So I know I promise that this is uncut, but there are some things that are not age appropriate, and my channel is actually family friendly, so I need to blur out some things and hide some things and all that. So what's happened here, I cannot really talk about it. So let's move on.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. One side. Shoulder. So basically, at this location here, you can have all the fun game and all the fun activities you can have. There are some games I don't even know their names. I don't know what this game is. The one right here also, I have no idea what this game also is. But they have all these games here at the Keta Sand and Sea Resort. So we have all these activities going on here. This game, I know the bab, how it works. This one, look at this one. Yeah, this role thing, I have no idea. But apart from that, they also have, whoa, I almost entered the net. So we have here volleyball, like a lot of volleyball activities and a lot of volleyball action. Now let me get you to the games before, so this is a recorded video. It's not live. The previous one was live. I'll go show you where the CEO is. Wait, let's go to the CEO. He says something. Boss Abele. Is that what?
playing football in the sun. It takes a different energy.
Why?
I tried.
Hey, look at how you are sweating. I'll be careful for let's go. So remove your footwear and relax. It's quite therapeutic. At least Sigbo glowing me. That's what the scientists then whatever they talk.
I'm going again. Is that the water?
All right. So those who watched the live streams a few seconds ago, well, that happened. This is a recorded session. So I'm still telling you about Adonai Real Estate Limited. These are some of the big boys of the Adonai. Like, we have the CEO, we have that man. I always forget his title because he was my senior back in school. And you see those seniors where, like, them said I get sense, but them no get sense too much. But then them seniors like that, hey, in some. But now, he's one of the brains behind Adonai Real Estate. The one who wear the chichi, like, you know, they see nothing. Yeah, he be in some ways. And over here also, we have some ladies from Adonai. Like, Charlie, them all be bosses, so you go to companies where ladies are also bosses, in some ways. Make I say they go raise their head. Hi, Sandy. Hi. See, she's giving a kiss to the camera. I will say she go bring me that kiss in person, but it don't go happen. She don't go give me some in person. She does the, okay. All right, so we are currently on tour by Adonai Real Estate, and you see, those ladies were like them may miss buses for them a house. So whenever they go, they miss buses. Some be that. She just did somewhere, they in place, be they chill and all that. Again, we are currently at the Keta Sand and Sea Resort. Charlie, I'm not going to edit any of this. I'm going to post it exactly the way I recorded it, okay? So that you get a feeling of what happened here. Most of my videos, I edit it, I polish it. This one, I'm not going to edit. I'm not going to polish. I'm not going to color grade. I will not do anything. I'm going to upload this video exactly the way it is. So yeah, Adonai Real Estate Company, people who chase clients day in, day out to buy land. Today they are at the Keta Sand and Sea Resort, aka the 10th village, and they are playing football. See, the one on the ball right now is one of the big boys for Adonai. It go shock you. One of the big boys for Adonai. And he's just here with everybody, just like chilling. Today, no boss, no deadline, no, okay, why didn't you submit your proposal, or why didn't you submit your whatever, why didn't you do it? This one, everybody just did everywhere. The CEO is here. All the top officials of Adonai, they are all here. We are all having fun. All right? We are having fun. This is the environment, or this is the kind of feeling you get when you come to Adonai Real Estate. And they are the number one. They said what? We won't let you give up on your dream of land and home ownership. That is one of their mottos in their mission. So, like, wherever you go, Charlie, the way I'm flying low, I hope they don't play the ball to hit my drone anyway. The football, let's be that. The CEO himself is riding for the ball. No, yeah. AJ, hey! How can you dribble your CEO like that? Today, there's no such thing as CEO or whatever. Everybody is just everybody. AJ! Score the goal, go! Oh! So essentially, that is the feel. That is the feel and environment we are in right now at the Keta Sand and Sea Resort. It's a lot of fun here. It's just beautiful. I cannot say I discovered, but I came across this pool just a few days ago, and the feeling and you know, the general environment is quite good and sweet. So yeah, this is it. Let me show you a little bit of the environment whilst we move on. I called them, told them, okay, I have some people, some clients from Adonai, or some of my people are bringing to experience Keta and a little bit. They're like, oh, we'll be glad to host you. And it's surprising because they basically don't know me. I don't know, they just don't know me. They are like, okay, Krelov, we realize you are doing a good thing for the Volta Region. And if you are bringing your people here to have fun, like, we'll give you everything you need. We'll give you all the facilities, and like, we had a place to ourselves, essentially. That is it. So yeah, we are here right now, and I can tell it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun, and I'll be getting you more details about what happens here at the Keta Sand and Sea Resort. Okay. Let me see if I can introduce some of the people of Adonai Real Estate to you, even though there's going to be a lot of sound and noise, but let me see if I can introduce some of the people to you, seriously, so that you know possibly the people you'll be dealing with. My mic is here, I hope it picks up. Hello.
Hello.
What's up, girl?
Cool.
Please, if you can read what is in my eyes and in my head, don't tell her, because if you tell her, she'll run away.
Calm down.
What's your name?
I'm Emefa.
Emefa?
Yeah.
I'm Emefa. I'm Emefa. Okay. But usually the Emefas are not far. If you know what I'm saying, the Emefas no far. I tell you, if you meet some Emefa, your eye go clear. So what's up? You're with Adonai Real Estate?
No, I'm at the university.
Oh, you are with Adonai University College.
Yes,
so are you in school or you are with administration?
I'm lecturing.
You're lecturing?
Yes.
Okay, so what's your area of specialty?
IT.
IT.
Yes.
No way! She's IT! She's tech! Oh! Those of you don't know, I'm a tech guy, just that I don't talk about it. All I talk about is tourism.
Okay.
She's in tech, she's in IT.
Yeah.
Okay, so the wave of AI and everything in AI now, what's your take? Are we safe as human beings?
Honestly, I would say that we are safe 50-50 because it's actually helping us in so many ways. And the other way, I would say maybe, you know, the older people would be like, now the younger ones are becoming lazy and all of that. That's the only thing I feel there is a problem with that. But with that, it's moving us from like levels to levels, because now what you're doing is also artificial intelligence. So you can't say that, okay, it's helping. You are not doing like this. It's helping. So I think it's a 90, yeah.
See, usually girls will find where them get sense, they don't be common. She gets sense. She fine. She's in IT. Oh my God. Okay, so what's your thoughts about the whole tour we are doing now?
Honestly, it's really amazing because I wasn't really expecting to like enjoy myself and all of that, but like as you can see, I played literally almost all the game, apart from the one they are playing and this one I don't know how to play that one. But the arrow shooting, A1, you know, we did our ampay as well, but I'm really enjoying myself.
Charlie, she's a straight shooter. She was shooting like crazy.
So
okay, so what is your view about where we are now? What's your thoughts about where we are currently? Let's get a Sand and Sea Resort.
Okay, so I don't know whether you noticed, I was just taking a view before you called. So I was looking at their accommodation, like it's giving nature. Mm-hmm. So I'm even thinking maybe one of these days I have to pass by because the place is kind of cool. Because we went around, I climbed all these things because I really want to experience it. The place is good. I think it's Sand and Sea Resort is really amazing. Everybody should come here.
Where can girl be this? She gets sense, she gets vibes, she gets the body, she gets the sense, she gets everything.
You know.
All right, so nice to meet you again. I believe going forward, we'll see how it goes, yeah?
Sure.
Aww. Okay, so we'll get back to you again.
All right, sure. Thank you.
Bye. Okay, so let's go catch somebody else. Let's see. Who do we catch? Let's see, the CEO. No, we cannot talk to the CEO. I don't want us to make it look too official. Let's speak to somebody else. Let's meet somebody. Let's see. Again, like I said, I'm not going to edit this video in any way. All right? I'm not going to edit this video not because I don't know how to edit. You all know how I edit my things. But I want this to feel real for you to get the general sense and the general feel for what Adonai is. Wait, should I get the PRO? Where's the PRO safe? Some PRO, are they? Hola. Okay, anyway, the fact is that PRO self, they like to construct their sentences and everything. So let me just grab anybody else. See some people. See. Look at them. Again, this should tell you that it's just a free range something. Those are just some people from Adonai having a good time. Then they chill. Then just let's zoom in closer and see. See them. They have no idea I'm even recording them. So yeah, they are just heading straight to the beach side to see what is there. That being said, on beach side thing, let's go to the beach side and see how this whole place looks like. So let me move from this way and show you the big boys again from Adonai. Yes, so the big boys there from Adonai. I would like to reveal everything all the way to the beach side for you. On that note, in 3, 2, 1, let's go! All right, this is Keta Sand and Beach Resort. Oh, that was close. I almost crashed into... yeah, I almost crashed into, what do we call it? All right, so my drone's battery is running a little low. Yeah, that is Keta Sand and Beach Resort. And I can tell you, it's such a wonderful place. And then we'll get back to you again. It's double V for Visit Volta. I know you cannot see me right now, but I'm still in your shots and telling you, it's double V for Visit Volta. Frankly, here, I'll see you when I see you.